Question 10. Circle P has its center at P21 and passes through the point 61. Circle Q has its center at Q-21 and passes through point 01. Regina is writing an informal proof to show that circle Q is similar to circle P after its similarity transformation, followed by a rigid transformation. Which two transformations will map circle P onto circle Q? Be sure to select two answer choices. So I'm looking, and I know that dilate are all the similarity ones. So I'm looking, it says dilate with a scale factor of 2/5, dilate with a scale factor of 1/2, and dilate with a scale factor of 2. It is going to be easy to eliminate this dilate with a scale factor of 2 because I noticed that the circle that they're starting with, which is circle P, is much larger than circle Q, so I know that the scale factor has to be a fraction. It has to make it smaller than the original one. So that one's off the table. And then I'm also just noticing that circle Q ends up being on the opposite side of the y-axis, so that's going to give me a clue that it is reflect in the y-axis. If it was a reflect in the x-axis, it would be the center of point Q would be one distant away from the x-axis on the opposite side. So 1 unit, since point P is 1 unit away from the x-axis. Up, point Q would then be 1 unit down away. Since that doesn't happen, I'm eliminating the x-axis. So I'm just going to run with the reflect in the y-axis and dilate with a scale factor of 2/5. I'm going to use this to just check it really fast to see. So circle with a center through point. We have point P at 2,1 and it passes through point 6,1. So 2,1 I'm going to click on and 6,1. And then I'm going to select the dilate from a point. It says select object, then center point, then enter factor. So object, center point, the factor is 2/5. Select OK. So then I'm going to reflect it about a line. So select the object to reflect, then the line of reflection. So I'm going to select this new circle, the dilated circle, and the y-axis, which is right here. And I'm noticing that it says its center is at -2,1 and passes through the point 0,1. Well, it looks like the center is at -2,1 right here. However, it does not pass through the point right here at 0,1. Sorry, I'll stop clicking. At 0,1, so I know that it's not a 2/5 factor. So it does look like the reflect in the y-axis works, so let's just confirm. And I'm just clicking the back arrow until those are gone. So I want to confirm that it is a dilation of 1/2. So again, select object, then center point, then enter the factors. So object, center point, factors 1/2. There's our circle. Now we're going to reflect it about our line. Select object to reflect, then the line of reflection. So select our new circle, then reflect it. So again, here's our center at -2,1, and it does pass through the point 0,1. So those are our options: reflect in the y-axis and dilate with a scale factor of 1/2.